Welcome! If you want to activate Hey Google options into your Honor 8, first step, open your Google application, this one. And then at the bottom we got more option in the right corner, so click it and go into settings. Then choose voice option. And here we got voice match option, so click it. And click here to turn on your Hey Google, so press. Confirm I agree, and now we activate our Hey Google option. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.